Okay, Paul, let me ask you something. Right now, this exact moment, are you fully awake?
I mean, technically, yes, but my body is saying something different.
Your body always says something different in the morning. And you know what? That is actually perfect for today, because today, on day 4 of our English Fluency Challenge, we are talking about mornings. We are talking about your daily routine, and we are talking about all the English words you need to describe your day from the very first second you open your eyes.
And trust me, if you can understand how I survive my mornings, your English is going to improve a lot. Because I make a lot of mistakes. In life and in English.
He really does. Okay, welcome everyone. Welcome back to Dear English Podcast. I am Emily.
And I am Paul. And we are so happy you are here with us today. Day 4. Can you believe it?
Day 4 already. If you're new here, hello. We are Emily and Paul, and this podcast is for you. We help you learn real, natural English. No boring grammar books, no confusing rules, just real conversations, real words, and real practice. And before we jump into today's lesson, we have one small but very important thing to say. If this podcast is helping you, if you are learning something new, if you are enjoying our conversations, please click the like button right now. Yes, just one click. It helps us so much. And please subscribe to Dear English Podcast. When you subscribe, you never miss a new episode. And we post new episodes every single week.
And if you already subscribed, thank you. You are officially part of our English family. We love you.
We really do. Okay, now let us get into today's lesson.
Day 4. Mornings, daily routines.
So, Paul, let me start with a simple question. What time did you wake up this morning?
Okay, so my alarm went off at 6:30.
Your alarm went off. Everyone, did you hear that phrase? Went off.
Yes, went off. When your alarm goes off, it means the alarm starts making noise. It rings, it beeps, it wakes you up.
Exactly. The alarm goes off. So, Paul, your alarm went off at 6:30. And then what happened?
And then I turned it off. And I stayed in bed for 25 more minutes.
Paul.
I know, but here's the thing. My bed was warm, and outside it was cold. And my brain said, 5 more minutes. Just 5 more minutes.
So you did not get up right away?
No, I did not get up right away. Right away. That means immediately, instantly, the moment something happens.
Good. Right away. So, for example, I did not answer right away. Or she called me and I picked up right away. It means no waiting, no delay.
And I definitely had a delay this morning.
Okay, Paul. So after your 25-minute delay, what was the first thing you did when you actually got up?
First thing. I went to the kitchen. I needed water. When I wake up, my mouth is always dry.
Dry. Your mouth is dry. Good word.
Yes. Dry means there is no water, no moisture. So when I sleep, I breathe through my mouth. And in the morning, very dry. I always need water first.
That is actually very common. A lot of people drink water first thing in the morning. Before coffee, before food.
Wait, before coffee? No, that I cannot do. Water first, yes, but then immediately coffee.
You and your coffee. Okay, so after water and coffee, what next?
Okay, I took a shower.
Okay, so what did you finally choose?
A blue shirt. Simple, clean, professional. I wore the blue shirt.
Good choice. Blue is always professional.
Emily, I need you every morning to make my decisions.
I would say yes, but I am also busy every morning.
Okay, so what about your morning? What does Emily's perfect morning look like?
My morning is very organized. I wake up at 6, no snooze, no delay.
6 o'clock? No delay? How is that possible?
I go to sleep early, so waking up is easy. I get up, I drink water, and I do 10 minutes of stretching.
Stretching in the morning? That is very healthy.
Yes! Stretching means you move your body slowly. You make your muscles longer. You wake up your arms and legs. After stretching, I feel amazing.
After stretching at 6 in the morning, I would feel amazing too. And also very tired.
You just need practice. Okay, and then, after stretching, I make breakfast.
What do you eat?
Eggs! I love eggs in the morning. Some days I make scrambled eggs. Some days I have a boiled egg with toast.
Scrambled eggs?
For anyone who does not know, scrambled eggs are when you mix the egg in the pan. You stir it while it cooks. Yes! And the opposite is a boiled egg. That is when you put the whole egg in water. You cook it in the water. No mixing.
My breakfast this morning was a coffee and a banana.
Paul,
I was late. I ran out of time.
Ran out of time. Everyone, this is a very important phrase. Ran out of time.
Yes,
ran out of time means you had no more time. Time was finished. You could not do what you wanted because there was no time left. I wanted to study more, but I ran out of time. She wanted to cook dinner, but she ran out of time. Very common, very useful.
You know what I notice? My morning is always rushed. Rushed means fast and a little chaotic, a little crazy.
Rushed. Yes. Rushed means you are doing everything very quickly. Too quickly, because you do not have enough time.
And Emily's morning is peaceful. Peaceful means calm, quiet, no stress.
That is right. Peaceful. My morning feels good because I have enough time. I am not rushed.
So, what kind of morning person are you? A Paul morning or an Emily morning?
I think most people are Paul mornings, honestly.
I represent the majority.
You really do. Okay, everyone. It is time for our vocabulary review. This is where we look back at all the important words and phrases from today's episode. These are words you need to remember.
Ready? Let us go.
Number 1. Went off. Your alarm went off. This means the alarm started making noise. It rang.
Number 2.
Right away. This means immediately. The moment something happens. No waiting. Number 3. Nothing felt right. This means nothing was perfect. You were searching, but you could not find what you wanted.
Number 4.
Stretching. Moving your body slowly to wake up your muscles. Number 5. Scrambled eggs. Eggs you mix in the pan while they cook.
Number 6.
Ran out of time. You had no more time. Time was finished. Number 7. Rushed. Doing everything very fast, often with stress.
Number 8.
Peaceful. Calm, quiet, no stress. These are your day 4 words. Please say them out loud right now. Repeat them. Write them down. Use them today.
And that is day 4 of our English Fluency Challenge. We talked about mornings, we talked about daily routines, and we learned some really important, really useful English phrases.
Day 4 is done, and you are doing so well. We are proud of you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a like. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to Dear English Podcast right now. Every new episode helps your English get stronger.
And now, our question of the day. This is your chance to practice writing in English. Here is your question.
Describe your morning in 3 sentences. Use the sentence starter, my morning is blank. First, I blank. Then, I blank.
Write your answer in the comments below. We read every single one. We love hearing from you.
Thank you so much for being here. I am Paul.
And I am Emily. See you tomorrow for day 5.
Day 5 is coming. Do not miss it. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.